Run!
Professional. Go straight ahead. Pressure and run. You got to run, Chris. Run, Chris. Relax. Slowly low. Well done. That's it. Just keep it going like that, Chris. Like the nose of this little. Here he comes. It's straight. Just let it fly. Don't hold it back. Let it fly. We're going to go left in a second. Not yet. Not yet. We need it to be better than that. Keep going. Go slightly left. Slightly left. I think it's on your left. Bit more left. Bit more left. Yeah, here we go. Go straight. Here he comes. Here he comes. Wait, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Keep going forward. Not yet, it's not good enough. Keep going. Left a bit more, I think, Chris. Left a bit more. There, yeah, keep on that line a bit. Okay, just ease back to the mountain a little bit more to your left, Chris. Come to the mountain a bit more to your left. Here we go. Here we go. Speeding up. There's a family in front of us. We're going to go right if it gets better. Yeah, right. Right you go now. Right you go now. Lean in. Constant turn. Bit more brake. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. Come on. There. Keep the lean on. If it digs in there, a bit of outer, but looks good. Keep the lean on. Keep the lean on. Keep the lean on. Little tiny bit tighter. Perfect. Don't let it stop. Don't let it flatten. Keep the lean on. That's the core. Tighter. If it digs there, a bit of outer. Keep going. Don't stop. Thermal's a little bit more on your right wing. Here it comes. Here it comes. There. Easy round there. And again, outer if it digs in there. Very nice. Beautiful. Keep going. Keep going. No tighter than that. Emma, that is epic. Epic thermal in Emma. That is epic. Keep going, Chris. Not mega strong, Chris, but you're doing well. It's not a mega strong climb. That's perfect turning. Whoever digs in there, outer, and then release the outer. Okay, Emma's got a better one in front of you now. If you go straight, you should hit the bottom of Emma's one, and you can take it again. She's slightly to your right. Beautiful. Keep on that line, Chris. Keep on that line. Here we go. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. To the right we're going. To the right. Now. Now. Lean in. Lean in. Lean in. Brake a bit tighter. If it digs there, a bit of outer, and then release the outer. Keep the turn on. That's absolute perfection. Keep going. Don't stop. Perfect. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Now. Yep. When you finish this one, there's a gaggle of vultures heading out in front of you towards the landing field, and they're going well up. In fact, Emma's with them. They're down to Emma's side. Emma's above them. If you finish the turn, it takes you slightly more to me. If you come back to me, keep turning right. The vulture's straight ahead of you now. Go straight there, you'll climb even quicker. That's it, stay on that line, you're going straight to the vulture. We'll try and push you out doing a loud return.
I can't see you.
I'm in orbit.
I can see you right on the end of the ridge. Well done, mate.
Thanks for your guidance, Mark.
Mine.
Fabulous.
Wicked family.
Yeah, no, I was learnt loads of that.
Family.
Yeah.
Really friggin' nice.
Yeah.